G'day, how y'all going?
Howdy, howdy.
For about the 20th time today, we're at the airport. Today, this trip.
You really want to.
We all checked in. Oh my gosh. All checked in. Now it's for customs. We made it through security and all that. Now we've got a couple of hours to our actual flight. I'll see y'all in Singapore. Just like that. Oh my gosh, it's foggy again. We're in Singapore. We're in a very cozy apartment. Here's the first room.
It's pretty dope.
Very, very cozy. We've got a microwave.
And then there's the second room. There's a monkey in it. Monkey! What?
McDonald's. Depends on.
It depends on your age. As curry munchers do, we came to Little India. What are we looking? Oh my gosh, it's already foggy. Today we're going to, now it's fogging up again. Going to that one building, that's like 3 buildings and like that bridge across the top. That thing. And hopefully tonight we'll go to Gardens by the Bay. So I'm hoping for. And I'm also hoping that this camera stops fogging up. But yeah, that building thing, and that building thing. There's coins, right? How about you stick the coins in here?
I did.
You didn't stick enough coins?
Yeah, well, I don't know.
Keep putting them in there. But come on down the bottom, doink. Yeah, you start.
How much money you got? 140.
Press which one you want.
What's this? What's this?
Press the one you want.
I suppose.
Press it.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
wait. Do not put the coins in.
Yeah, how much? Where's the dollar? What money is that?
First off, this is a baht. This is from a different country. That's also a baht. That's a baht. This is Australian.
I'm fucking. You have food delivery, food order. Yeah. Oh, okay. There you go, Thomas.
You can, there's a gondola. Oh, really?
Oh, it's a boat there.
That was pretty funny. That's pretty freaky. Damn crazy. I don't know, that's escalator. What's that thing called again? Escalator, escalator. I just got Molotov and the amount of chilies they put in that thing almost killed me.
What?
Holy freaking. Storm coming in. There's literally an apple storm right there. Because it's all balls that ball. And there's one that goes through and there's an apple right there. That's stupid if you ask me. Stupid, like how the hell do they do that? That's the building I was talking about, the 3 thing? Yeah, last one, 3. This whole deck's on some shockers, bro. Suspension, man. Crazy. Guys, it's a bloody onion.
Get out of my face.
There she is. A bloody boat on 3 buildings. Look at them. You barely see them, but they're there. Trees, man.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. They light up at night, bro. What are you doing over there? Oh my gosh, your one's gonna be made out of freaking chicken wire and
Bamboo.
look at it. It's like trees and that. Ain't that right?
When I get older, I'm gonna get married here.
When you get older, mate. Your wife's over there.
Old enough to get married, then I'll get married here.
Alright. I don't know what he's saying. Look at that. And that in the background. Look at that. The frick? It's making a sound or something.
You want to climb?
It's making a sound. What is that?
Rock.
Oh. Indian garden now for some reason. And this guy.
Where's my marble?
Oh, go sit on that one, Dad. Go sit on the camel. No, you go sit on the camel. Look, there's more of them.
拍照拍照。
No, you go up there, that's crazy. That comes the end of these gardens, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm so dead, eh? Well, walking just back to the city. We out of this place. Ugh, we out of here. Singapore, mate.
Sydney Beach is
Who knew?
Canberra's pretty good.
Sydney ain't crap. You know, that boat tower thing.
It's not a boat tower, it's a freaking tower.
Tower with a boat in it. It's a tower with a boat on the top.
Man said it's not a boat tower, it's a tower.
Does this look cool? I can't tell if it looks cool. I always look at that. Thing at the back? Does it look cool?
What?
I don't know if it looks cool. Does it look cool, Rani? Say it looks cool. Does it look cool at the bottom?
Pretty cool.
Yeah, cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Bloody cruise ships. Those things don't come to Australia no more. Fall backwards. We're at some like shopping mall in like Little India. That's so I wasn't inside. I was like there's a lot more time between markets and things. What are you screaming for, man? What's going on there? The whole gang's there. They're going somewhere. Who knows where they go, I don't know where the hell we're walking, but we're walking somewhere. There's the bloody boat thing again. Here's a bloody nugget thing. You shut up. I don't know, we're going, mate. I don't know. We'll figure it out, aren't we, Roddy?
Yes, sir.
Came here yesterday, but on the other side, guys.
We were on the other side.
There's the line down over there.
We wanted to walk around here, we were sitting that side. Remember?
Yeah, you could have. It's the bridge right
Oh
there.
no, over there. We were sitting over there.
There she is.
No, we couldn't.
Crazy.
What's it saying?
Damn tourist. Oh, I missed it. Do it again.
How's that?
What's the right? This is right, mate, not left. Right.
Right here.
Yeah, more right. More right. More right. Keep going. There you go. Wow. It's a lion.
Merlion.
You want to get excited and shit. Come on, let's go.
We don't know where the hell we are. We're trying to figure our way home. Oh, green. There's a green arrow thingy. Yeah, figuring out how to get home. I'm just here. Chilling. Back on the bus gang. It's a rainy day, but today we are leaving Singapore to our final destination of Bali. Let's go. Just like that, we have made it through to Terminal 4. I think that fancy water thing is in Terminal 1, which is upsetting.
Look, that's fancy.
What the hell is even that? Be boarding now, boys. That's the end of the flight.
Electronic
Our luggage is taking 10 years to come
declaration.
out. Huh?
Did we do the customs declaration?
Yes. Our luggage is taking 10 years to come out. We at the hotel now. I think you can really see. There's a pool. There's everything around it. Looks pretty freaking mad. We've made it to the hotel. Sadly, they gave us a double bed. I hate sharing a bed with my sister, but it's whatever. She steals all the blankets. It's a big double bed. It's not the small one, it's the big one. I think I'm boiling the kettle. Doesn't sound like it's boiling, but hopefully. Hella big shower, finally. And the toilet with the bum hose. That's great. But there's one thing that's been on my mind this entire trip. And that's my uni marks. They come out at 12 AM Australian, and that is 10 AM over here. So let's hope I got a good mark. I am also very terrified of consuming the water here. Apparently they give us 2 bowls every single day. That's what this thing says. Please do not consume. I don't think you can even read that. Please do not consume water from the tap. We provide 2 bottles of mineral water. We provide 2 bottles of water. I can't freaking talk, man. We provide 2 bottles of mineral water daily on complimentary. So, if I get food poisoning now, after this entire trip, not much I can really say about it, honestly. It just happened. So, yeah. If anyone tells you you need 80s, 90s to pass, all you need is 50. Works for me. If you ever need to quickly dry some socks or some underwear, just chuck them in the aircon like that. Works like a charm.